I'm Matt Marovich. I've grown up all around construction. Ever since I was 12 years old, I've been on the payroll at either my father's company or another construction business, learning every aspect of construction in a hands-on setting. So everything from installing floor tiles to finishing drywall. And so you could say it's in my DNA at this point. My father had his own business in Northwest Indiana. He did everything from historical restorations to lakefront house remodels, kind of the stuff that you might see on HGTV. He told me, he saw growth in the market here and saw a great opportunity. So we joined forces together in the business called Northern Precision, which is our legacy company. And since 2011, we've built that to be a respectable luxury custom home building business here in Sarasota County.
I'm Kevin Scott. I am partner in Alair Homes Sanibel and also Alair Homes Casey Key, partnering with Matt. Been with Alair almost 5 years. December will be 5 years that I've been with Alair, and excited to get started on our second location. The goal has always been to have an office here where I live. So I live here. My kids go to school here. My wife and I got married here. My wife was born here. So Venice, Sarasota is really important to us as a family. Introduced with Matt, I guess it's been about a year now, and we just hit it off. He's a very successful, very driven person. You can see that he wants to do bigger things. He wants to keep moving, keep climbing. And that tenacity and that partnership is going to be awesome to, come together and really form this office. And then from here, expand even into the region a little bit more in the Sarasota region.
Our goals are to scale to multiple offices. So rather than having one office that stretches a longer distance north to south, to have several offices so that hone in on each individual neighborhood in the area to better serve our clients.
I've been part of Alair for 5 years. We've got an office in Sanibel. We've got an office coming in Fort Myers Beach. This newest office with Matt is something I'm very excited about. It's a home, it's in the community. And so I'm really excited to partner with Matt to get this office started, to bring Alair to Sarasota County, to get to a point where Alair is just synonymous with Sarasota County. See it on the Key, see it on the beaches. And I'm really looking forward to the next couple of years here in Sarasota County for Alair.
And getting to know Alair Homes and everything that we've done to become a part of Alair Homes has made me really excited to join forces with Kevin and to bring this launch and to bring everything that Alair Homes has to offer to Sarasota, where living better really does start here.